ACHR stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief, short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. As the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Ultimately speaking, ACHR was so very similar to I think it was open. Yeah, right, open. But all I want to see is just a simple break above this high at 1063 in order for me to buy, because I already got the first break. This is going to be the second one, in which case I have the thumbs up to go. But we're far more closer to the low, right? So in this case, it just depends what we break first. If you break these lows first with a full candle close, then this is going to be invalid and it's going to be remade, right? I'll make it another video. Just recently I got this long here as well. This is the most recent prediction that I got myself in with ACHR, right? It was so good. It was 10 bucks, looking to take it to 12.50 a month ago, and it delivered, you know, from 3rd of July, delivered to my top, and then went even to almost 14. And now this is where we're sitting at. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.